So, you're looking to purchase your first home. Congratulations, this is a very exciting time. While going on open house visits and researching neighborhood data is important, equally if not more so is making sure that the purchase is a financially sound one. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you go through the process. First, let's start by considering a price limit. Unless you have cash to purchase the home outright, you will need to take out a mortgage. Lenders will look at your income and expenses to determine whether you qualify for that loan that you're requesting. Lenders will look at two general ratios: housing expenses and total obligations. In the housing expense ratio, they'll look at your total housing costs, monthly mortgage, insurance, property taxes, and compare it to your gross monthly income. As a general rule of thumb, this should not exceed 28% for the loans to look favorably on the loan amount. Next is the obligation ratio. This looks at the percentage of your income that is necessary to cover your monthly debts and housing costs. The obligations include student loans, credit card balances, car loans, all of which are added to your basic housing costs and then again divided by your gross income. This ratio should not exceed 36%. Second, you'll also need to consider what you can afford for a down payment and closing costs. Closing costs vary, but there will likely be a home inspection fee, application fees, appraisal fees, among many others. Third, and finally, don't overlook the cost of owning a home. In addition to your mortgage payments, you'll be responsible for utilities, repairs, insurance, just to name a few. Now, hopefully none of this scared you, but it's a big decision. The more informed you are as a purchaser, the more financially sound your decision will be.